Good afternoon. I am Omar Shalaby and my partner is Nathaniel Muller, and we present UpLift. The problem that we decided to address today is the large deficiency many young people face in the aspect of social health. Social health is one of three equally important coexisting branches of health and is often the most overlooked of all. It is extremely important for people to talk with others in a non-stressful environment and just have general human interaction, but this has become increasingly difficult as technology increases in our world. This difficulty has jumped even higher during the current global pandemic, with many people attending online school, working from home, and rarely leaving their house. A deficit of social interaction has real serious effects on a person's mental and physical health. Anxiety and depression are very common direct results of a lack of social interaction. The most common way to strengthen your social and mental health is to express and share your emotions. Experts approve that sharing emotions with others helps organize and acknowledge your problems and blessings and gives you some psychological relief of not having your feelings buried deep inside you. To get these connections with other people, you may have to step out of your comfort zone. UpLift is a free, easy to use, easy to access, and completely stress-free web application that allows people from all over the country to meet up and have conversations in real time. We have designed a way to allow people who want to express these problems or help others with these problems to have a tailored account specifically made to them with people that share the same traits. UpLift is a completely different environment and user interface than any social media. UpLift's secret sauce is in our tailor-made specifications to know the user's wants in their social environment and put them into small groups of random people with the same wants that they can interact with. Media giants such as Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram lack the idea of connecting people into these small groups and really trying to benefit the social health of these people. UpLift isn't just a social media app. It's a haven that gives users the option for building whatever types of relationships they want. A person can undergo different social needs at different times, and UpLift brings the unique idea of allowing users to change what type of interactions they want at any time. When a user creates an account, we gain a baseline of certain character traits that the person has through asking them questions that build off of each other. Once we gain a baseline, throughout the user's usage of the web app, more questions, such as daily questions, get asked to continue with the uniqueness of the person. People with similar traits will be recommended the same groups. If a user chooses to change their social needs, they can manually change their baseline at any time. This is one example of how our questions can gain an understanding of a person by assigning them a trait based off their answers. Each question branches into more questions dependent on how the user answers. At a certain point, we feel we know enough about the user to give them a trait that we can compare to other users. As UpLift grows, so will the different traits and specifications. UpLift is an app made for anyone who wants more human interaction. At its roots, it's designed for people to feel that they are not alone in their problems, and will appeal to those who have specific problems and want to talk to others who share those problems. As time goes on, when the app gains popularity, the algorithm and traits will become more complex, but also more common because of a wide user base that this app allows for. Now it's time to go through a demo of our product. First, I'll sign up with my email and a password. Once I make my account, I get prompted with a line of questions that will help the app better understand me and what I'm looking for. What type of conversation are you looking to have? Deep personal ones. Out of this list, what is the most important topic? Myself. What do you think you would talk about? Stress and problems. Have you been affected? Yes. Makes me less social. After answering that last question, I'm taken to the home page. The home page consists of my schedule, a daily question that will further help the app understand me, and recommend groups to join based off my baseline questions. Looking at the navigation bar, we can see the Friends tab. The Friends tab allows users to add people who they've been in groups with, to get to know them better and sprout new friendships. Let's put Ahmed. This is an example of how the Friends tab would work. Further down the navigation bar, we see the daily complement, which generates a new complement every day. This tab will eventually also be custom made to give compliments based off of the user's traits. Finally, we have the Profile tab, which allows the user to change their settings and make a new baseline. It takes you back to the original questions, and you can create a new type of environment in which you want to become socially active. Thank you.